Hello and welcome. Jeremy and Ricky here. We're down at the Toyota Land Cruiser Club of Australia here in beautiful New South Wales. We have the Toyota HiLux GR Sport here. We also have some fantastic Toyota genuine accessories fitted to it. And we're going to have a little bit of a talk about this today. So first and foremost, here on the GR Sport, we've got a Bullbar. Isn't that right,
Yes,
Ricky?
that's it.
Bullbar, besides looking fantastic, has got two functions. One, we're getting some good protection from animal strike. Remember, you've got to go driving along those dirt country roads and everything to get to your destination where you're going to. So a bit of frontal protection with a Bullbar is fantastic. If you're ever thinking about putting a winch in, you've got to have one of these to start with. So here, we've got the fantastic Warn winch, which is tucked in behind the number plate there. And up the top of there, you can also see we've got our light bar as well. Moving down under here, what have we got, Ricky?
We've got the rated recovery points, Jeremy.
Rated recovery points, very, very important. If there was one thing that I was going to fit to my car first up, it would be the rated recovery points. A fantastic bit of kit.
Yes.
And also underneath there, you can see that silver bash plate, giving us some extra protection underneath the vehicle. Also, as we move along, we've got a Snorkel. The Snorkel's terrific. If we're thinking about doing a bit of water crossings or something like that, what the Snorkel enables us to do is get that air intake nice and high. It's no longer here in the engine bay, it's now right up here. It's also very, very good for dust as well, so we're not getting too much dust into the air filters. So that's a little bit about the front, which probably brings us around to the side of the vehicle, Ricky.
Let's start from the top here, Jeremy. As you can see here, we have the roof rack already installed. You can attach your rooftop tent there to provide you with your sleeping quarters.
Yeah, it's a great idea. I mean, you see so many rooftop tents now on the market and they're a great bit of gear. It's the Hilton on wheels, isn't it?
That's right, definitely.
Also, you can attach an awning to the side of there.
Fantastic.
As well.
Yeah.
So there are a few different things that we can do with roof racks. So they're a very useful bit of equipment.
Fantastic. Now, come and have a look at these rock rails. So this rock rail that comes standard with the GR Sport.
Fantastic.
It's a fantastic protection for the car, underneath the car as well as on the side, because especially this side here, if you damage it, it can cost quite a bit of money, Jeremy.
Good idea, Ricky. Shall we have a look around the back maybe?
Yes, why not? So what can we see here at the back?
We've got our rated recovery points.
Yes.
And if you're going to do any kind of towing at all, you're going to need your tow kit.
That's for sure. And if you need more information or if you have specific questions, please visit your local dealer and they will be able to help you there.